quick rundown of how to use the Draftsy app. Again, it's in beta, so please forgive any bugs as we go through it. Just making sure you report them as you see them. So really quick, you're going to log in with the email address that you gave us. You gave Eddie. You'll just put that email address in here and just click the reset password process to go ahead and reset your password to get logged in. I am going to put mine in. I'll blank this out here, but get signed in. All right, once you're signed in, you're going to see your profile. You're not going to see a profile picture. You can edit that later on when you went. But your couple things you're going to see at the very top. You'll see, your Draftsy ranking, which is a little wing there, and then you'll see total Draftsy points earned, and then you'll see the current leagues that you're in. You'll see WS, WP, SS, and SP. So that's your weekly standing, how you rank for the current week. Weekly points, how many points you earn this week for that league that you're in. And then season standing is how many, where you're at ranked for the entire season in that league. And then SP would be season points league for that season points for that year. How many points you got so for that in that league. You'll see the baseball icon at the top there. You can see. Then you'll also see below the games that we have scheduled this week, and so this is across all leagues. So again, we're updating the UI each week, so you'll see the changes here. Any suggestions you have, let us know. You'll see on the left-hand side, you'll see yours. Everything that you have is on the left-hand side, and then who you're playing against. So, for example, the first one is Michigan versus Youngstown State, and the game is 6 p.m. At 5:03 on May 3rd, 2022. Today's the 5th. And so there's no data here. So bear with us as we work through getting the data calculations. We're having to do screen scrapes to get some of this data. So as we get APIs built, we'll get the data improved. But you can see the scores that are listed here. The winning game is highlighted in purple. You'll see that here. And you'll see the team that go through. You can scroll through those and take a look. And that's really the homepage. So while you're in here, you can see your leagues. And if you click on your league, it's the same as clicking the league button down here. And so you can always get to your leagues from here. Or if you're on the home page, you can get to them here. But when you're in the leagues page, you can just open one of your leagues. I'm going to put Drafty Testers. It's a league that we set up to test out. From here, you can see the standings of the league. Where's everybody ranked at in the league? 1 through 10. There are 10 players in this league. And then you can see the schedule. And then the players tab isn't really functional yet because we're making some design changes. But some really cool stuff here. I'm going to just click on my profile, Osage Indian. And I've got 30 points so far this season in college baseball. So if I open up my link here, I'm going to actually see the week I'm on. So we're on week 11 at the baseball. And then the teams I've picked and what points they've gotten so far this week. And this is calculated weekly. So week 11, I'm not going to see anything. But if I come back here, we're going to go back a little bit. We're going to go all the way, like say, week 4, for example. Week 4 comes up. On week 4, I got 8 weekly points, and I was number 3 in the standing. But here are the points that each team got me for Draftsy points for that particular week. So you can see I've got some teams that didn't play, and then I've got teams where I got 46 points for South Dakota State. So anyways, you can go through that and see that. You can go through and see this for any user inside your league. You can see and then choose the week that you want for that. So again, that's pretty simple. And then schedule gives you a little bit more control instead of just a weekly schedule. This will pull up the current week, but it'll also tell you how many Draftsy points you got for that particular game. For example, in this one, you see California Baptist. I lost, and so because I lost the game, I only got 1 point for the game because you get penalized 3 points for losing, plus the points of the game, so I got 1. You can see this one, I won, and I got 10 points for that game. So you can scroll through your schedule and see how many points you got per game, so you can kind of figure out your points and what you got there from there. So I can also go to calendar, and I can see on an individual calendar what games are playing or what games have played and what are due by certain dates. I can select a specific date and then show me, for example, if I pull up the 11th, Sunday the 1st of May, I I can see there are 11 games. I can go through and look at my games there. So anyways, that's that. I'm back out of that calendar view. You can also come in here, and on the main page, you've got your calendar. Scan here are some features, and then national standings. If you go to the national standings, you'll see who's ranked, who's got the most number of Draftsy points to the whole for the year so far. And then you can come back in here and edit profile data. If I go to profile, that's my actual profile data, but to edit settings, to edit my profile, I come here to settings, and then I can change my picture, change my name, all this other stuff that you want to have. Anyways, that's the app. Go back on the home page. You can see, watch out for us as we have new stuff come in place. Things like Teams and Live are under development still. Chat still under development. But new stuff's coming out every week. So check it out. Let us know if you got any questions. Thanks, everybody.